To make classic boiled tortellini, fill a large pot with about half a gallon, 1.9 liters of water. Bring the water to a boil over high heat, which should take about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the water is boiling, add 1 to 2 tablespoons, 17 to 35 grams of salt to the pot. Using a slotted spoon, gently lower the tortellini into the water. Let them cook for 5 minutes or until the tortellini pieces begin to float to the top of the water. As they cook, gently stir them to keep them from sticking together. When they're done, scoop them out of the water with a slotted spoon and transfer them into a separate bowl. Serve your tortellini with sauce or mix them into a soup or salad. To make cheesy baked tortellini, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius, and pour about 8 ounces, 240 milliliters of tomato sauce into a greased baking dish. Spread 10 ounces, 283 grams of uncooked tortellini on top of the sauce. Then spread another 8 ounces, 240 milliliters of sauce evenly on top of that. Sprinkle 1 cup, 240 milliliters of shredded mozzarella, and 1/4 cup, 59 milliliters of parmesan cheese on top, making sure to distribute evenly. Then layer on another 10 ounces, 283 grams of tortellini, and top that with a final layer of tomato sauce. Sprinkle 1 more layer of mozzarella and parmesan onto the top and cover the dish with aluminum foil. Then bake it for 30 minutes. To get the cheese lightly browned and bubbly, take off the foil and let the dish cook for 10 more minutes. Let your baked tortellini cool for 5 minutes before you serve it.